the goal with this activity is to work on your lateral shuffle power. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to start in athletic stance. So with that, I want slight bend in the knees. You're going to push the hips back slightly and then active hand position just like that. Now, I'm going to do a lateral shuffle, so I'll break down the shuffle first. What you want with that is if I'm going to go to the right, I'm going to open my right foot up in the direction I'm traveling. My left leg is the pushing leg, so I'm going to push through the arch, step just like that, all right? So the left leg pushes, the right leg pulls slightly, but it's more there to just point in the direction you want to go. So the shuffle is kind of that. Now where the med ball comes into play is it's going to increase my momentum going to the right. So in order to make that happen, I'm going to start with the med ball on my right side, and then as I go, I'm going to throw it down into the ground on a diagonal. Me throwing it down that way is going to increase my force production into the shuffle so I can shuffle faster. So the throw is going to be like this as I do the shuffle, making sure I stay low as I perform it. At full speed, it's going to look like this. So I'm here in my athletic stance, got the med ball high, just like that. So I'm throwing it away from where I'm shuffling. Here again, here, just like that. Take a couple shuffles, go again. One more for the Gipper. Here. And that's how it's done. Give it a shot.